So guys, I finished anti-roll bar yesterday, and so I did also starting on the Hey guys, and good morning. Today, Monday, the 23rd of August, I proceed with the rear bumper. I started on the inside. The paint was beneath there, so follow a little while, and so guys, the bumper is done. This here, the dent, so bad, so it's not too difficult. I have to take out. It's not these small rust issues here, and the long side out there, those I have to resolve before. That's how it's looked like today now. The front bumper of the side below, beneath, the inside. I take also care of the rear bumper at the same time, and look how much I have left of the rust oleum. Hello guys, today I'm continuing with reserve with rust oleum. the rest of the rear bumper. Hello guys, today I start up also with do the anchor plates. So it's not bad, it's also with the other anchor plate is quite as good as well. So I will stay today and clean them totally up and prepare them with Hey guys, today is Sunday. I started up with anti-roll bar and used the 2K epoxy primer. Also the base for the spring bases, both sides. So and now I will take also the trailer arms, or the suspension arms as you will call it. Okay. So guys, the first trailer arm is done, both sides. I think it looks very okay. I just have to look how much paint I have left for taking second time also. But I can do this also later. So I continue with the second trailer arm. Hello guys, today I'm on the way to Vianor in Norway to remove the gummy or the shoes from my wheels, so that I can sand blow them afterwards. Wow. Very nice. That's a cool equipment. Hello guys, again. It's nice and sunny today. I got my rims back from the sun from sandblasting. They look very nice. All the rust is gone. And now I was starting to prepare the with sink spray as I used before, and afterwards with Rustolin, and later on with 2K epoxy primer filler. So I think I putting on a little speed. Rust-Oleum. So, anti-roll bar, coat in black, and looks okay for the first time. It becomes the second layer, and also the spring bases with top coat in black. Hey guys, that's what I do, some blow-in, and then I can prepare them for later on. So I hope coming back soon with a new video. Okay, bye. Thank you. So I managed the last one. It's still okay. I put the new for several years ago, and I'm not almost not used it. So I'm done. I can go further on and pressing out these ones. Oh, that I'll show you later.